In this video, I'm gonna show you how I got paid almost $1,800 from just one TikTok video. And the best part is anyone can do this. So I'm gonna break down my strategies and what you should be doing each week on TikTok so you can start making money in your sleep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My channel is here about helping you save money and make money online. So every Friday, I post videos for how to grow on social media and how to monetize it so you can become more financially free. If that's a channel you're interested in, take a second, hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any easy videos and easy ways that you can make money that I post every single week. Okay, so let's dive in. So this is the video that I'm talking about. At the time of recording this YouTube video, it got 31,000 views on TikTok, which is incredible. That helped me generate $1,800 in affiliate commission from people clicking on the link and using the link that I talk about in that video. So how do you recreate that? What you want to do is look at the different products or services that are going to give you a decent commission, more than $1 a person. So if you need some help with that, I do have two affiliate programs that I'm part of. One is Shop Her Media and one is Cactus Media. So they post different deals, different links, all that kind of stuff that you can promote, and you get a specific link so that way when you're posting it, you're gonna earn the commission because it's traceable back to you. So if you need some additional affiliate marketing places to join, you wanna really branch out in the affiliate marketing wing of your social media journey, those will be linked below for you in the description box. So what you can do is pick one that's gonna, of course, directly correlate with your audience. This is key. If your videos and your channel are about dog training and you try to post a video about a purse you can grab, well, obviously it's probably not gonna do that well because it has nothing to do with your audience or your ideal audience. So first you wanna make sure that it is a product or service that is going to directly help your ideal audience. Then what I want you to do is pick the top 5 payout products or services that you can recommend. Then what you're gonna do is create a TikTok for each one of these products and services. That way you can sprinkle them in with your current content that you're putting out every single week. I currently put out about 2 videos on TikTok per day, 7 days a week. So if 5 of those videos are affiliate marketing, it's not gonna be too much or overwhelming because I'm putting out 14 videos per week and only 5 of them are going to be talking about an affiliate product, link, service, discount, whatever the case is. So don't think that it's gonna be too much, trust me. And not everybody is watching every single one of your videos. There's millions and millions of people on TikTok, so you don't have to worry about it being oversaturated where people are seeing every single one of your videos. That would be great, but I guarantee you there's a lot of new people who are watching just one video. Maybe they catch 2 of your videos. So sprinkling that in is not gonna be too much and it's gonna help you generate a lot of income and in your sleep. So here's what I mean by that. It took me maybe 15 minutes to make that TikTok video and I posted it. Then I don't have to do any more work. That TikTok video is just gaining views day after day, hour after hour, which is incredible. So while I was sleeping, I double checked my affiliate commission and I had made another $400 while I was sleeping. So it does turn into passive income, which is incredible. That's the best type of income because you don't have to really do anything additional. Now, with that being said, small disclaimer, yes, you wanna make sure that you are answering the questions and the comments on your videos. Is it 1,000% necessary? No, but highly recommended because it's gonna help you with the TikTok algorithm. And if someone has a question about purchasing that product or trying that service and you don't respond, then they're not gonna be able to move forward with that purchase and therefore you're gonna lose out on affiliate commission. So in my opinion, it's a win-win to make sure that you are really connecting with your audience, answering any questions they have, and just helping them through that process. That way it's gonna help TikTok push that video out to even more people. More views equals more clicks on that affiliate product, which equals more revenue for you. Now let's take it a step further. The next thing you wanna do is pin it to your profile. You can have 3 videos pinned to your profile at any given time. So what you wanna do is pin the top 3 videos that are linking to the highest paying products of your own or affiliate products that you are talking about. Now, the benefit of this is as you're posting more videos, again, I post 2 videos per day. So as people are seeing those videos, going to my profile, following me, these are the top 3 pinned videos on my profile. So now it's going to take people who are watching my other videos and transfer them to then watch these 3 videos, which again are linking to affiliate products or commissions where I can make additional revenue from. So what I do anytime I'm watching someone's videos on TikTok and I'm scrolling through and I find a person that I really like, sometimes I will go to their profile, see the pinned, and those are always the first 3 videos that I will watch from that content creator. So pinned videos are really important. So what I recommend doing is pinning 3. You can do 3, so max it out and pin 3 videos. Then if a deal expires or you no longer want to push that affiliate link, unpin that video, make a new video, and pin that one instead. So your pinned videos should always be relating to something that's going to drive revenue and drive profit for you. And you always want to make sure that you have 3 pinned. Now you can do this on Instagram as well. You can have 3 pinned posts or reels on your page. So the same kind of techniques, the same strategies, the same schedule is going to apply for other social media platforms like Instagram. Let me know in the comments what 3 videos you have been typically putting as the pinned videos on your TikTok profile. And if this video has been helpful so far, take a second, smash that like button for me. Affiliate marketing is a great way that you can make money online. And that is a topic that I deep dive into in my program, Social Media Journey. So if you are looking to grow on social media organically and learn how to better monetize it so you can be more financially free, then I invite you to book a free call with me. It'll be linked below for you in the description box. We're gonna go through your social media, go over your goals, put together a game plan, and see how I can personally help you reach those goals. Now let's get into the next step that you wanna do for TikTok videos, making sure that you are bringing in the most revenue possible. And the last part of this is the links in your bio. So you wanna make sure that the pinned video links, the links referencing to those 3 videos, is in the top section of your bio links. What you do not want to happen is someone clicks on the link in your bio, they're trying to find the link that relates to the pinned video, and they're having to scroll. What's gonna happen? You're gonna wind up losing that. That happens to me sometimes when I'm scrolling on TikTok. So put yourself in the buyer's shoes or the customer's shoes. If you are not willing to scroll, then somebody else probably isn't willing to do that either. So keep that in mind. So you wanna make sure the affiliate link that you have in your videos are in the top section. So I'll have like really 2 big important links at the very top. Then I have a category, my links, and all of those links are going to be the most important to my audience, and they are going to be the ones that I'm talking about in those 3 pinned videos. So that's very, very important. Make sure your links in your bio are really organized. So whether you are talking about dog training tips, those are the links. And then you have best dog toys, links for dog toys. Have them categorized and have it labeled and really, really easy for your audience to know what link correlates to that. Sometimes I've seen some links on there that are really confusing and I have no idea where to click. Same thing if you are doing Amazon affiliates. So if you're an Amazon affiliate and you have an Amazon storefront and you're talking about top 3 bathroom cleaning supplies that I use that make cleaning my bathrooms super easy. What you wanna do, whatever category you are talking about that those products are linked in, maybe they are linked in bathroom supplies, maybe they're linked in cleaning supplies. Well, if your video is about bathroom cleaning supplies and you don't have a bathroom cleaning supplies category, then it's gonna be harder for your audience to connect the 2. So what I would recommend doing if that's the case is in the video on TikTok, find this on my Amazon storefront under cleaning supplies. Make sure that you are letting them know exactly what to click. The easier and more convenient you make it for your audience, the more likely they are to actually go through with it. They can find it, so they're happier, and you get the additional affiliate revenue from them purchasing that product or that service. Thank you guys so much for watching. What I want you to do now is go create 5 videos related to affiliate marketing products and get them posted and get them pinned, and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Friday in another video.